So today we are going to be unboxing ThinOptics keychain readers. These are viral on social media. They blow up on TikTok when people use them. So if you get a pair, by all means, take a video with them. You might blow up too, who knows? So when you order anything from our ThinOptics website, it's probably going to come in a white envelope that looks like this. If you're ordering a ton of stuff, it will come in a box. And within this envelope is another tiny little box. So it says ThinOptics on it. If yours does not look like this when you get it, it is not from us. So opening this up, and this is one of the Black Keychain readers. Once you open it, it comes with a set of instructions. So it will tell you how to care for your readers, how to clean them, how to use them, how to tack them onto your keys. It also comes with a key ring. So you would just attach that to the end in this little loop. Then you can have your readers on your keys, always with you. That's what we like to say. So once you open them, these are a pair of blue readers. As you can see, there are no stickers on these or anything. If you do have stickers, those are not authentic ThinOptics. You just pop them out like so. You can bend these any which way you would like. They are not going to snap on you. We make them very durable. So once you put them on, you just put them on your face like this. They stay on your face no matter what you're doing. And then just take them off, get your keys again, pop these bad boys right back in. You're gonna have the button up when you're putting them in so that the holder can grab onto your readers. And then you just slide that button down. Boom. ThinOptics keychain reader. So any questions about what you should be receiving in your packaging, or if you got a different pair and they were not ours, now you know what it should look like when you get it. So any questions, drop them in the comments and we are here to help you. Thanks.